CH200. Waltz. Waltz is a very handy and shapely universal truck with ergonomic handle grip. Ergonomic handlebars allow grip positions to be adapted to individual body size and various transport situations and protect hands from scratches and bruises. The ergonomic handle allows you to move freely no matter which angle you hold it. You can turn, move forward and backward as if you were dancing. Waltz can carry 200 kilograms, but its weight only 6.7 kilograms. It is the lightest hand truck of same type on the market. Optional accessory bullhorn for easy transport and carry of round goods. Quick release strap and buckle to secure multi-bottle, tank or cylinder. Easy and quick to use. Sturdy pneumatic wheels with ball bearings can be removed or assembled easily by linchpin in a few seconds. Quick remove and foldable bottom for saving storage space in car. Ergonomic handle grip. High impact and cold proof, -20 degrees Celsius, polypropylene curved crossbeams. Robust and perfectly finished aluminium. Pneumatic wheel with linchpin, remove and assemble easily. Foldable bottom for saving storage space.